So today I'm gonna open my Chillapreneur store for next 12 hours to see how much money we can create at the end of the 12 hours. So we have received our first order of the day, and this guy have bought a diamond tic tac toe for 0.99 and we are receiving $0.84. Let's say him hi, please drop your user. Alright, so he have dropped this user after a long time. Let's copy it and go to Roblox. My alt have joined me too, so let's transfer it into my account and let's deliver the order. Here we go, and let's send him a trade now. Alright, here we go, and let's send him a trade. Let's paste his user and he's online. Let's go. Let's say him send so he can accept our trade. Send. Alright, let's wait for him to accept our trade. He accepted his accept so fast. So let's give him his tic tac toe. I confirmed. Let's wait for him to accept it, and he confirmed too. So we have successfully completed our first order of the day. Let's mark order delivered and let's write thanks, please mark order delivered. So guys, we have successfully completed our first order of the day. Let's go. Alright gang, so we have received our second order of the day. He have bought Buffalino for $0.5. Hi user, please. Let's wait for him to drop his user. Alright, he's typed his user. Let's copy it and send him a trade. My alt have changed. Let's transfer Buffalino into my main account. Alright, here we go. Let's take it into our base and let's send this guy a trade request. Alright, he have accepted our trade after a long time, really bro. He take like 10 minutes. I confirmed and he confirmed too. Let's mark order delivered. Thanks, please mark order received. So guys, we have successfully completed our second order of the day. So guys, we have received our third order of the day. He have bought a Kachuru Golden for $0.50. Hi, thanks for purchasing. Please drop your user. Now I'm transferring it from my alt into my main. I accepted. Let's wait for my alt to accept. Alright, and my alt accepted too. So let's wait for the guy to drop his user. Alright, he have dropped his user. Let's copy it. Let's send him a trade request. I send it and he accepted. He have accepted the trade. I accepted too, and we have successfully delivered our third order of the day. So guys, we have received our fourth order of the day. Have bought a golden Kachuru, no trades for 0.50 cents. The same I user please. He have dropped his user. Let's copy it. I'm transferring it into my main. I accepted and he accepted too. So let's send this guy a trade request. Alright, he have sent me a trade request. I confirmed and he confirmed too. Let's go and mark order delivered. Let's say him thanks, please mark order received. And we have successfully completed our last order of the day. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like the video, so please hit like button and subscribe the channel.